students, a very good morning. Yes, online students, my voice is clear. My voice is clear. Okay. Yesterday, beta, I gave you one homework, and in the homework, I gave you you have to find out the noun and kind from this chapter. How many of you did?
Done.
How many of you did? It's not matter 10 or 19. I say you have to use your own mind. Yes, online students, have you done? Have you done? First of all, you all have to keep your cameras on. Yes. Take out your this book, Marigold. Hurry up. Online students, hurry up it out. Yes, students. So as you all know, we are doing the Scholar's Mother Tongue. So open your this book, Marigold, to page number 105. Open your book to page number 105. Right? Open. Okay. Yes, students. On this, we have the very first exercise. See, we have the words like ask, mask, task, right? And there we have one more action word like I learned my lesson, right? So in the very first question, look at the very first question, all of you. Pick the words which end with the sound ID. Okay, say each word aloud. So now beta, you all have to speak the word and जिनकी sound ID से end होती है ना, in front of that word we have to put a tick. We have to put one tick. Am I clear?
Yes.
So now, the very first word is, speak all of you. So do you think there is a sound of ID at the end? Don't shout, just speak. Yes. Accepted. id. ID की sound आ रही है? आपको क्या करना है कि first of all you have to read the word, you have to speak the word, और जिस word के end में ID की sound आ रही है, there we have to put the tick. Okay. So in accepted, mark a tick, and after that answered. No. Leave it. After that,
Irritated. Yes.
irritated.
Yes.
Yes. So mark a tick in front of irritated. Failed. No. So leave. Failed beta. ED sound है, not ID. According to question, which sound we have to observe? ID sound. But in failed we have the sound of ED, not ID. Am I clear?
Yes.
And after that, completed.
Yes. Yes.
Challenged.
No.
Okay, put one tick in front of completed.
No. Yes.
Yes. Challenged.
No.
Cried.
Yes.
Surprised.
Yes.
Surprised.
Yes.
No. ED, not ID. Which sound we want? Yes, ID. First two lines are clear?
Yes.
You all have done?
Yes.
Yes, online students, are you doing?
Yes.
Show me your thumbs up. Okay. Next line is find.
No. Yes.
The ID sound is here. Next one is lid. No. Celebrated.
Yes.
Fried.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. And after that, now come to the next one. to page number 106. So chapter is clear to you now?
Yes.
Okay. So beta, here you have to take the right answer. I visited the fort of Akbar. Means
You
yes, here we have the three options. Option A is you always live there.
No.
Option B, you came there for a short time. You were born there. No. So you all have to take the B option of page number 106. Okay. In the third question, third is mentioned. B part is correct. Okay. And after that, to imitate someone means copy someone. So here we have option A. Okay. Imitate करना, किसी को copy करना. Am I clear? किसी को cheat करना. Imitate means to copy करना. cheat भी हम उसमें copy करते हैं ना, उसको follow करना, उसको जो वो काम कर रहा है उसी को हम कर रहे हैं. It means to copy. Okay. And after that beta, now come to page number 107. Like you have to write by yourself. Okay. I am not going to write all the answers on the board. I'll just do one for you. Like we have one word, quiet. Quietly. Quietly. Next one is fluent. Write down the spellings of fluently. Very good. And yes, online students, are you writing? You all have to keep your cameras on, beta. Manjot, Viren, Wasim, keep your camera on, beta. Next one, angry. What is the spelling of angry? Sad. Okay. Fires. Gentle. Okay. So have you all done? So now come to. Okay, first of all, tell me, is there anyone who is still writing these answers? Have you done, Vijendra? Yes, you. Last one, beta. Sukhbir, have you done? Okay. So now, in question number 5, beta, we have matched the words in column A with words in column B. King, courtiers. King, courtiers. So here I am going to write down the answers. Matching question number 5. Here we have king. Courtiers. Write down. Don't shout. Next one. Teacher. Teacher. out. Okay. Next one, doctor. And one thing more, you people are not supposed to draw the lines. First of all, in front of column A, you have to put the numbers, right? And after that, in front of column B, you have to mention the numbering. Is that clear to all?
Yes.
Okay. Doctor. We have S with it, no?
Yes.
Next one. Bus driver. If you people shout now, then I will not ask you. Bus driver. Yes, mother. Yes, have you done? Yes, now let's start with question number 6, beta. In question number 6, we have baskets with us, right? And in the baskets, we have words. And in front of that words, we have to use a and an. Okay? Can we start now?
Yes.
Rug or a pillow, bed sheet, write down alarm clock, wall clock, wristwatch, apple, orange, banana, ice cream, bow, arrow, ball, bat, doll, waistcoat, long coat, raincoat, umbrella. Clear? So now come to page number 108, beta. Next page. Yes. Can I have dash, please? This is your wish. You can use any word. An orange, a pen, you can. Anything. Can I have dash too? Okay. Yes, this is your choice. This is according your wish. You can fill in this blank with your own, right? So yes, students, this is all about the back exercise. I hope you all have done. So now we will start with the dick words. Okay. So you all have to take out your notebooks now. You all have to do work along with me in neat and clean handwriting.
Yes.
Okay? And you people are not supposed to look here and there and be careful while writing the dick words. Am I clear?
Yes.
Okay? Sit properly. Yes, I will tell you in that way you have to start. First of all, you all have to write down date. Day. Hurry up. Write down today's date. Day. Today is Wednesday. And after that, write down the name of the spelling. The name of the chapter, scholars, mother tongue. Scholars mother tongue. Give the heading of the chapter. And जैसे मैं को बोल रही हूँ ना, start writing like this. Write down the name of the chapter because we have one controversy. In New Marigold's book, we have this as chapter unit 6, but in Old Marigold's, we have it as chapter 7. So we are not going to mention the unit number 6 or 7 so that you may not confuse. So it's better you have to mention the name of the chapter. कि जब आप उसको revise करो आपको कोई confusion ना हो. Am I clear? So scholars mother tongue. Stop whispering. Stop the. Write down after that dictation words. Handwriting should be neat and clean, beta. Dictation words. And we have 12 numbers, okay? Yes. So it's better to draw a line in between the page and start writing. So the very first one is courtier. Speak with me. Courtier. First letter should be small. What is the spelling of courtier? I am saying courtier, not courtiers, not us, only courtier. Okay, and listen to me. One thing more. How you can learn the spelling of the courtier? C-O-U-R-T court. You have to split the spellings. Okay. आप लोग मैम को बाद में कहते हो ना कि मैम हमसे स्पेलिंग नहीं लर्न होते. So listen to मैम very carefully. C-O-U-R-T court and after that I-E-R. You can split the spelling and it's easy to learn. Okay. Courtier. Clear? Yes. Sit properly all of you. And after that number 2. Number 2 is whispered. What is the meaning of whispered? Whisper. Whisper means to say when talking in a very low voice or speak in very low voice. Mention करवाया, right? And what is the meaning of courtier? Okay, meaning is clear. Write down number 3. Asleep. What is the meaning of asleep? Right. And next one, the next word is mastery. What is the meaning of mastery? What is the meaning of mastery? Listen to me. I think so you have one confusion. When we are talking about the mastery or the scholar, now always you people answer me the one who has the one who is skilled in all the languages. बेटा this chapter is based upon the language. जो हमने ये chapter पढ़ा है ना scholar mother tongue, ये chapter सिर्फ languages के base है. But mastery means to say when you are skilled in any of the profession, any of the subject or any of the thing, it means you have mastery over there. ठीक है? Yes, we can, but not the languages. This chapter में हमने basically वो language के बारे में discuss करा, but It doesn't mean कि every time mastery and scholar means it's the same thing. Yes, Viren, type your doubt in chat box, beta. After that, write down the fifth word depth. D-E-P-T-F. What is the meaning of depth? No.
मैम जी लाना
No.
मैम गुस्सा करना मैम मैम
और उसको अगर हम रिटर्न करना, जिसको भी हम नॉर्मल लैंग्वेज में कर्ज बोलते हैं, उधार नहीं कर्ज बोलते हैं। जब हमने किसी से लार्ज अमाउंट में मनी लिया, हमने उस मनी को उसको रिटर्न करना, so we can say that yes, so it means that. Clear? Next, the sixth word is doubt. What is the meaning of doubt?
मैम कोई छोटा
Yes. Yes, students, board is clear now. कर्ज बेटा. Yes, now. Stop. I hope you all have done these 6 words. So now the seventh one is accept. This is accept and one is accept. Accept means to say, here this accept means to say जब हम किसी चीज को स्वीकार कर लेते हैं, मान लेते हैं। उसके अलावा वो मानना नहीं, लाइक आई एक्सेप्ट योर गिफ्ट्स, मैंने आपके गिफ्ट्स को ले लिया, मान लिया। And accept means to say कि इसके अलावा, like I call my all friends on birthday party.
मैम तो एक्सेप्ट हुआ
एक्सेप्ट आशिमा को छोड़ के मैंने सारे फ्रेंड्स को बर्थडे पार्टी में बुलाया, तो वो एक्सेप्ट होगा ई से। So this is A. Okay? Am I clear? So these are the homophones. These are the homophones means to say when we have two words, when their pronunciation is same, but they have their different meanings. Okay? So the next one is event. What is the meaning of event? Yes, in quick manner. Next one is challenge. Challenge. Now write down the 10th word tickle. What is the meaning of tickle? Yes, tickle, not tickle. Next one is irritate. Yes. The 12th one is tongue. And the next one is tongue. Okay, good. If you have done, it's great. Don't shout. Those who are writing, let them write. Beta here. Yes, online students, write it down, please. Hurry up. Accept here means to say कि जब हम किसी चीज को स्वीकार कर लेते हैं, like I accepted all her gifts, right? And when we have the accept from E, it means to say that कि when we say कि हमने इसके अलावा, right? I invited my all friends except विरेन को छोड़ के मैंने अपने सारे फ्रेंड्स को बर्थडे में बुलाया, right? So the meaning